In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage appointment settings in Meta Business Suite. We'll be updating the core appointment preferences that control how your booking system works, including business hours, time zone, double booking, and how appointment start times are displayed. These settings are important because they directly affect what your customers see when they try to book with you, so it's a good idea to review them carefully. To begin, go to the left-hand menu in Meta Business Suite and click All Tools. This is where Meta groups the broader business features that may not be visible on your main dashboard. Once that panel opens, scroll down until you find Appointments, and then click it. After the Appointments area loads, look for the Settings option and click that to open your appointment preferences. This is the section where you can customize how your scheduling experience works for both your team and your customers. Under Availability, set your business hours. Make sure these hours reflect the actual times when appointments can be accepted. Keeping this section accurate helps prevent booking confusion and reduces the chances of customers selecting times when no one is available. Next, click Time Zone and choose your preferred time zone. If needed, enter a city to set the correct time zone more quickly. This step is especially important if your business serves clients in different locations or if your business page was originally set up with a different region. A mismatched time zone can cause scheduling mistakes, so take a moment to confirm it's correct. After that, click Double Booking. Here, you can enable or disable double booking based on your scheduling preference. If your business can handle overlapping appointments, this setting may be useful. If not, turning it off helps ensure only one appointment is scheduled per time slot. Choose the option that best fits your workflow and team capacity. Then click Start Time Display. This setting lets you choose how often appointment time slots are shown. In other words, you're deciding the interval customers will see when booking, such as more frequent or more spaced out start times. Pick the display frequency that matches how you typically schedule services and how much flexibility you want customers to have. Once everything looks right, click Save Changes. That final step applies all the updates you've made. And that's it. You've now gone through the main appointment settings in Meta Business Suite. Taking a few minutes to configure these properly can make your booking process smoother, more accurate, and easier for customers to use.